Where's the girl? What do you mean you don't know? Do you know who you are dealing with here? I am the Jackhammer Man. Where's the girl? I'll ask you once more. Where's the girl? You motherfucker. Now I have to get meat with you, oh honey. Oh, yeah, baby. Ride me like a pony. I want a piece of that action. I'll be back.